Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the amazing health tips shared on this channel. In this video, I will share 5 great fat-burning foods. Stay till the end and I will share an additional 3 fat-burning foods you should know. 1. Cayenne pepper. You might be surprised that there is a connection between this hot pepper and burning your belly fat. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, daily consumption of one of the compounds found in pepper called capsaicin speeds up abdominal fat loss by boosting the body's ability to convert food into energy. It also acts as a natural appetite suppressant, thus, you will eat less and in turn lose weight. To reap the benefits, simply add a pinch of cayenne pepper when seasoning your food and you will kickstart your metabolism. 2. Eggs. Whether you like your eggs sunny side up, scrambled, hard-boiled, or fried, it doesn't matter. A pan, spatula, and tray of eggs are all you need to help melt away some serious flab. Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a major fat-burning nutrient that helps turn off the genes responsible for belly fat storage. Eggs are also a great source of lean protein, which can set the fat-burning pace for your entire day when eaten for breakfast. 3. Berries. Berries are packed with polyphenol antioxidants that will help burn fat, and prevent it from forming, as well as boost your workout benefits by improving blood flow to your muscles. They're also sweet, satisfying your sweet tooth for a fraction of the calories you would get from cookies or brownies. 4. Salmon. In addition to being a great source of lean protein, salmon is also packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which your body can't produce. This is how it works. Protein builds muscle. More muscle equals more fat burning. Fish is one of the healthiest sources of lean protein, especially wild salmon, says dietitian Lauren Minjan. Eating enough protein and healthy fat also helps to reduce cravings and has been shown to help keep weight off for longer. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit slices sparks your body's fat-burning ability. A study published in the journal Metabolism found that those who ate grapefruit for 6 weeks lost a full inch off their waistlines. What's behind the belt-tightening effect? The fruit is rich in phytochemicals, bioactive compounds that recent research shows stimulate the production of a hormone called adiponectin, which is involved in the breakdown of body fat. Japanese research suggests the smell of the juicy fruit can turn on calorie-burning brown fat cells, promoting the breakdown of body fat while reducing appetite. Now I will share the additional 3 fat-burning foods as promised. Avocados. Avocados are packed full of vitamins, minerals, fiber and healthy fats. Avocados contain a high amount of hard healthy monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in olive oil. Because avocados are high in fat and fiber, they can help you feel more satisfied and keep you feeling full for longer. Next we have lemon. Water is necessary to keep your metabolism functioning optimally. For even more of a kick, add a lemon to your glass. And finally coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which may increase your metabolism, reduce appetite, and promote fat loss.
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.